Welcome to this guided meditation to attract wealth and prosperity. You deserve to be rich and prosperous in all areas of your life. You are capable of fulfilling any desire you have. The power to accomplish is in your subconscious. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to not miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Let's start. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lie down where you won't be interrupted for a few minutes. Close your eyes and begin to breathe deeply. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Feel the air moving in and out of your body. Focus on your breathing and let your mind calm down. Now, visualize a flow of golden energy flowing from the universe to the top of your head. Feel this golden energy flowing through your body, illuminating every cell and organ. Feel the golden energy filling you with love, peace, and happiness. Now, repeat the following affirmations out loud or in your mind. I am worthy of wealth and prosperity. I attract money and abundance into my life. I am grateful for all the blessings I receive. I am a magnet for success and prosperity. Feel these affirmations in your heart and let them sink into your subconscious mind. Visualize yourself living the life of your dreams, surrounded by abundance and prosperity. When you're ready, open your eyes and feel refreshed and energized. Remember that you are worthy of wealth and prosperity, and that the universe is working in your favor. Thank you for meditating with us. If you enjoyed this guided meditation, subscribe to Wealth and Prosperity channel for more inspiring content. I hope you enjoyed the guided meditation and that it helps you attract more wealth and prosperity into your life. Peace and prosperity.